Welcome back to another episode of Kotlin Bootcamp for programmers. In this episode, along with the previous one that I talked about the scope function, the let, apply, with, and one of them was also. And in this episode that I want to talk about the also. So also works like apply, but it executes a given block and returns the object called. Like the apply, it returns the object itself, not the what I can say, not the result of an expression. So the object is referenced by it as a parameter or argument. It is easier to pass it as an argument. This function is handy by embedding additional actions, so we can embed any other actions too also. For example, I have a list of numbers in string. It is 1, 2, 3 or anything else. And the number, now I want to print something and I want to add a piece of code after that. Here, I want to print a number itself and I want to add a new number. Means numbers dot also. This also means how we can read this. You can read and also do the following with the object. Numbers means and also do the following piece of code with this object. Also do the following piece of code with this object. And now I'm printing here println. Let's keep this one in a new line, and this will be more readable for you and more beautiful. And now with also I'm printing a new line and also the number itself. I mean, so I can access the it itself, the number. Or I can say the context object is available as argument. In the apply, the context available in the apply, the context here was available as a this keyword, as a receiver this. But in this also the context object is receiver as it or as argument it. We can access that as an argument. And also as you see that this also return the object itself. It also return the object itself. We can add more things, or we can add a chain to our function, or after also even I can apply, I can use apply something else. For example, in the apply I want to add a new number, so if this dot add I want to add 4. I want to add 4 because and also I printed this one in the apply. I added using the this keyword, or even removing the this. I can add a new keyword here. It will return for us. It will apply the number itself. At the end, let's see. I can add as this is the number, itself, or apply also, and also reply the object itself. We can change the process. Like also we can add more also here. Do the apply, and also what we can say filter. You cannot the filter. You can add. See, you cannot have add inside the also. You have to specify that it. You can use the it, and you can access the object of number as it, and then you can add the element like this. I want to add the 5, or I can say the 5. At the end, I want to add something else, because this also return here an object itself, the object of number. It can return, it will do a piece of code, and it will return the object itself, and the context object that it is receiver is it. We can access the object using the it. Now here I want to add new item to the number. I want to add 6, and the end, if I print the number itself, or if I print the next numbers, what we will get here. Let's see the store. If I println, I wanna use numbers. I wanna print numbers. Let's see. I called this also example in the main function. If I run the program, what I will get here? First, it will print the list element, and it is before adding. The list element before adding is 1 2 3, and now at the end I'm getting, I added 4, I added 5 here, and also I added the 6 at the end, like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6. I have all of this. I means this add or this also will have or will send for us or will return for us the object of number itself. So this is also, or the usage of also, this is it for this video. If you like the video, please thumbs up, and if you have any questions, please comment below. We can definitely read it out and we can answer on that. And if you're new to this channel, make sure hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification, and see you soon on the next video.